Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to mute the audio of a video in Canva. If you're trying to mute the audio portion on a video using Canva, first of all, launch open the Canva application on your mobile device. Now open up and access your project containing the video, and once you are done uploading the video onto your project or opening up your project containing the video, tap on the video that you want to mute. After you select it, go to the bottom of the screen and then tap on the video layer on the bottom of the screen. Now once you select the video, you will be able to unlock other options such as playback, delete, split, etc. on the bottom of the screen. Simply go ahead and look for the speaker icon where it says 100 right now, and then tap on the speaker icon once again on the right corner. Now once you see this little line overlapping the speaker icon, it means that the volume has been muted. Now you can click on the cross icon and then play the video, where you will be able to see that the audio has now been muted. So that is how you can easily mute an audio from a video in Canva. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.